Hello everyone. In this example, we will see how we can utilize the match function within the index function. So first I want to see the sales generated by S5 function in week 3 week. So for that purpose, first I will type index and then I'll select my range. Once my range is selected, then I'll select 5 because S5 is my fifth row, and then I'll type 3 because 3 is my column number and close the bracket. We can see that the sale generated by S5 function in week 3 week is 970. But there is a problem. If I want to change the function from S5 to S6, or I want to change my week from week 3 to week 2, the output remains the same. The reason is we have provided these row number and the column number. These values are statics. What I want, whenever I change the function name or the week name, my output must change accordingly. Now I will have to use the match function within the index function. Okay, so what I will do, I will count my row number and my column number in a separate cell, and then I will use these cells as a reference value in my index function. So first I want to find the row number of S6 function. So first I will type match, lookup value, I will refer to this cell, and this is my range. Because I want the exact match, I will provide 0 and close the bracket. Hit enter. Same way I will calculate the column number also. So I will type match, lookup value is this, I will select my range, then I will provide 0, close the bracket and hit enter. Now what we have done, we are calculating these row number and the column number dynamically. Means if I change this value from S8 to S9, my row number is changed. If I change from week 2 to week 1, my column number is also changed. Now what I will do, instead of this 5, the row number I will refer from this cell, and instead of this 3, the column number I will refer from this cell and close the bracket. And now we can see that the output we are getting is dynamic. If I change any value here, suppose I change from S9 to S10, the output is changed. The reason is simple, because now the row number is not static, it is dynamic. Whenever we are changing the value, this row number is also changing because we are using match function. Matches function is giving me the exact row number of that value. Here also, when we are using the match function, it is giving the exact column number from this range. So if I change from week 1 to week 2, this value is also changed. So this is how we are using the index function and the match function, or I can say that this is how we are using the match function within the index function to generate the value. Sometimes it is not advisable to calculate the row number and the column number in a separate cell and then refer these two values in the index. What we want to do, we want to use both the index and the match function in the same formula. So first I will type index and then I will select my range. And now when I have to provide the row number, I will not refer from this cell. What I will do, I will directly apply the match. And now my lookup value is this. This is my range. Then I will close the bracket. So we can see that we have applied the match function, and this match function will give me the row number dynamic. Now I will type another match and then I will type this weak value from the range 0, close the bracket. So this is our formula. This is my range, this is my row number, this is my column number. I will hit enter and you will see that I am now using both match and index simultaneously, and if I change any value, then the output will change accordingly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.